Welcome to Nagesh Kurasgi Orchid School TV channel. Myself Atika Kudle. Children, I am going to make you learn, make you study awareness subject. So, open your awareness subject skill book. Be ready with that. Open page number 8484. Did you all open? Okay. Children, in our previous session we have studied about games, isn't it? Games, in that games some are indoor games as well as some are outdoor games. Indoor games means what? Those games which we can play in the house itself. जो गेम हम लोग घर के अंदर खेल सकते हैं, that is known as indoor game. For example, Ludo, Carom, Chess, these are called indoor games. Now come to outdoor games. Outdoor games are those games which we have to play outside of the house, isn't it? For example, football, cricket, badminton, these are called outdoor games, isn't it? Children, after studying for a long time, आप जब बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक पढ़ाई करते हो तो आप क्या करते हो? आप मम्मी को बोलते हो मैं पढ़ के थक गया हूँ, नाउ आई वांट टू प्ले, मैं अपने आप को खेल कर रेस्ट देना चाहता हूँ और अपने माइंड को फ्रेश करना चाहता हूँ, isn't it? So what you do? You go outside to play to make yourself fresh and fine, isn't it? पढ़ाई कर आप थक जाते हो तो आप क्या करते हो? घर के बाहर जाकर खेलते हो गेम्स, और जिसकी वजह से आपको क्या लगता है? यू फील फ्रेश, आप लोगों को फ्रेशनेस फील होती है, isn't it? Now children, same way some other things are also there. From that, if you use that, if you follow that things also, you can make yourself fresh and fine, isn't it? So our lesson name is music, musical instruments. Children, after studying for a long time, when you are tired, जब आप पढ़ के थक जाते हो, अगर आप साइलेंट म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट सुनेंगे तो भी आप लोगों को फ्रेशनेस फील होती है, आप अपने आप को रिलैक्स फील कर सकते हो. ओके, जब आपको चिड़चिड़पन होता है, आपको कुछ भी चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगती है और आपको बहुत ये होता रहता है, चिड़चिड़ होना शुरू करती है, मुझे ये पसंद, पढ़ाई पसंद नहीं आ रही है, मुझे खाना पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. एट दैट टाइम इफ़ यू विल लिसन to musical instruments, silent musical instruments, silent music, then also at that time also you can feel your mind peaceful and fresh. जब आप कोई silent music सुनते हो तभी भी आपका दिमाग जो है काम, क्वाइट और फ्रेश हो जाता है, और वो जो आपका फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है, चिड़चिड़पन का, वो आपसे दूर हो जाएगा. This is also a way you can make yourself fresh. ये भी एक तरीका है अपने आप को कूल करने का, ठंडा करने का. Not cool means that you have to take the ice and you have to keep on your head. That doesn't mean that you have to make yourself cool. Cool means listening to a silent music. Music जो बहुत धीमी होती है, म्यूज़िक स्लो मेलोडियस होती है, जब हम लोग वो सुनते हैं तभी भी हम लोगों को कैसे लगता है? हमारा माइंड कूल लगता है, जो स्ट्रेस रहता है पढ़ाई का वो सब दूर हो जाता है. सो इन बाय लिसनिंग म्यूजिक यू कैन मेक योरसेल्फ फ्रेश एंड फाइन. सी चिल्ड्रन, टुडे आवर लेसन नेम इज musical instruments. So today I am going to show you some musical instruments. Let's see what are they. First is trombone. First is trombone. ये डफली बोलते हैं ना, डफली. This is called trombone. This is called trombone. Okay. This is a type of musical instrument. This is a type of musical instrument. In many songs on television, you would have seen this musical instrument. Okay. After that, triangle. This is also a type of instrument. Okay. Then next is guitar. You all know the meaning of guitar. Did you all enjoy the music of guitar? See children, if you listen the music of guitar, if you will listen the music of guitar when you are in frustrated mood, when you are in frustrated mood, जब आप चिड़चिड़ वाले मूड में होते हो, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड मूड में होते हो ना, तब अगर आप गिटार की म्यूजिक सुनते हो ना, आपका माइंड बहुत कूल होता है. साइलेंट म्यूजिक सुनने से है ना, आप कैसे अपने आप माइंड को फ्रेश फील करते हो. ओके, दिस इज अ गिटार. सी, isn't it? Feeling fresh? Yes, exactly. Next is piano. This is called piano. This is also a type of musical instrument, isn't it? This is also a type of instrument. This is called piano. Next is trumpet. Next is trumpet, like this. See children, I want to tell you some more thing about this trumpet. There are 4 types of trumpet. There are 4 types of trumpet, and these 4 types of trumpets have different shape as well as different musical voice. ये 4 तरीके के होते हैं trumpets. इसमें आपको अलग अलग शेप देखने को मिलेंगे और प्लस इनकी जो म्यूजिकल वॉइस है वो भी आपको अलग अलग सुनने को मिलेगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज अ trumpet. Then again French trumpet is there. Then next is Taba trumpet is there. And 4th one is saxophone. Saxophone is a type of trumpet only. Okay children, so let's see some more musical instruments. See children, our lesson name is musical instrument. Okay, now first one is, what is there? First one is, you called in Hindi dholak, isn't it? But what the correct name in English is there? Mridangam. Mridangam is a name of this musical instrument. In Hindi you say dholki, no? Not dholki, dholak, dholak. Sorry, dholak. In marriage ceremony, you big aunties play this dhol, isn't it? Next is mouth organ. Next is mouth organ. Then sitar. Sitar. Flute. Flute. Tabla. Tabla. Violin. Harmonium. Let's see.
Musical instruments. Musical instruments are instruments that are created to make musical sounds, like mridanga, sitar, mouth organ, tabla, flute, violin, harmonium, guitar, saxophone, drum, trumpet, xylophone, mandolin,
Did you all understood, children? What are the musical instruments? The instrument which play music. Just now I have said, beforehand only. The instrument which play music, and after listening that music, you will feel fresh. That is called musical instruments. See children, you listen songs. आप लोग गाने सुनते हो ना? गाने जब सुनते हो तो उसमें म्यूजिक की आवाज आती है, isn't it? So from where do you get that music sound? Yes, exactly from these musical instrument we get that musical sound. और जब ये गाने के साथ म्यूजिकल आवाज होती है तब वो गाना सुनने के लिए भी हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, isn't it? So these are the musical instruments from which you can play the music. See, guitar, saxophone, drum, trumpet, mandolin, xylophone and piano. These are the musical instruments. So children, have you understood all these things, all the instruments, or shall we play once again this? Okay, you will enjoy. Once again we will play, you will be enjoying.
Musical instruments. Musical instruments are instruments that are created to make musical sounds, like mridanga, sitar, mouth organ, tabla, flute, violin, harmonium, guitar, saxophone, drum, trumpet, xylophone, mandolin, piano.
See children, did you all enjoy it? Yes, we all have enjoyed this musical instrument by listening them. The animation CD we have enjoyed. Now children, come to the page number 8686. Come to page number 8686. Get ready with nicely sharp. Take your nicely sharpened pencil and eraser. Here they have given a worksheet to us. Right now we have seen the musical instrument and their pictures, as well as we have heard the musical sound of these musical instruments, isn't it? So now what they are asking, see, to do. Write the names of the musical instruments from the help of the box. See, red color help box is there. In this box they have given the names of musical instrument. Here below, downside, they have given the pictures of the musical instruments. After seeing the picture, you have to identify which correct name is that is in this help box. You have to pick up that word and you have to fill in the given space. This is our worksheet they have asked to do. So let's start. All are ready? All are ready with their pencils and eraser? Yes, children? Okay. Now, let's start. picture? This picture is of, yes, just now we have heard the music of this instrument, no? Then tell me the name of this musical instrument. It is a violin. Spelling V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. Finished? See the next picture. What it is? The picture of Mridangam. Spelling of Mridangam. M-R-I-D-A-N-G-A-M. Mridangam. Children, while writing the spellings, please say with your mouth and write. If you will say and write, you won't do the spelling mistakes. For that purpose, we are saying the spelling and writing. While writing, we are saying the spellings. What is the spelling of Mridangam? M-R-I-D-A-N-G-A-M. Mridangam. Come to next picture. Which instrument, musical instrument? Picture of? Correct, harmonium. H-A-R-M-O-N-I-U-M. Harmonium. H-A-R, har. H-A-R, har. M-O, mo. N-I-U-M, nium, harmonium. H-A-R, har. M-O, mo. N-I-U-M, nium, harmonium. So, the way just now I have shown you this, how to read the spelling of harmonium. If you will learn in that way, it will be more easier to make you learn the spelling of harmonium. Okay? Next picture is of drum. Very good. D-R-U-M. Drum. Next picture is of drum. Write the spelling. D-R-U-M. Drum. Over. See, next picture. Who is going to identify the name? Yes? Yes, who is going to identify the picture and tell me the name of that picture? Yes? Correct, it is trumpet. Write the spelling of trumpet. T-R-U-M. Trum. T-R-U-M. Trum. T-R-U-M. Trum. P-E-T. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Trumpet. T-R-U-M. Trum. P-E-T. Pet. Trumpet. Over. Next picture is of guitar. G-U-I. G-U-I. T-A-R. Tar. T T-A-R, tar, guitar. G-U-I, G-U-I, T-A-R, tar, guitar. Guitar. Did you all learn the spelling of guitar? Yes. Children, did you all understood how to learn the spellings? You have to divide the spellings and it will be easier to learn the spellings of big words. Okay. So children, today we have studied musical instruments. We have seen the musical instrument as well as we have heard the music of that particular musical instrument. So children, did you all enjoy the session? We will meet in our next session. Till then, bye.